Welcome to this guided meditation. Find a comfortable seat. I like to sit on a cushion myself, but whatever is best for you. You can sit cross-legged or hero's pose. You could even lay down on your back. So just take a moment here to get comfortable. Sit nice and tall. Place your hands wherever it's comfortable, in your lap or on your thighs. Palms down, palms up, doesn't matter. Comfort is the most important thing. Once you're there, you can close down the eyes. And start to soften the breath. You're going to inhale to a count of 4. 3, 2, 1. Hold the breath at the top. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold here at the bottom. 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, inhale to a count of 4. Fill the lungs all the way up and then hold here. Pause at the top. 4 breaths or 4 counts. And then exhale to a count of 4. When you get to the bottom, pause at the exhalation. Count to 4. One more round on your own. So it's a 4 count inhale, 4 count pause at the top, 4 count exhale, and a 4 count pause at the bottom. What we're doing here is consciously slowing down our breath. Once you've finished with your counts, you can let your breath come back to its natural rhythm. Relax the shoulders down the back. And relax any other areas in your body where you're holding on to tension. Continue to keep the attention on the breath. Nice and easy. Inhale. Exhale. And repeat. We're going through a very interesting stage on our planet. There's a lot of uncertainty, a lot of unknowns. Easiest way, the best way to ease any tension that you're feeling around this situation is to stay present as often as possible. The more time that you spend in your thoughts worrying about the future or something that could possibly happen or might happen but hasn't happened yet, or you're spending your time ruminating about things that have happened, things you could have done differently or said differently or reacted differently. So the more time that you're spending in the future and in the past, and you're really just spending your time in this sort of illusionary personal reality that isn't actually real. These made-up stories that you have going on in your head about things that are completely out of your control. So the more time that you can spend fully in the present, letting go of those thoughts that are weighing you down, then the less tension you'll be carrying in your body, the less stress you'll have, and the more peace you'll feel from within. The easiest way to step into the present moment is to anchor your awareness on the breath, because it's always with you. So see if you can put all of your attention on the breath. Follow the journey of the breath. Notice the air come in through your nose and back out. If your mind has already started to wander, that's perfectly normal. Just bring it right back to the breath. We'll be here for about a minute. And your only task is to try to relax the thoughts in your mind, and when they come, to just let them go and bring your attention right back to your breath. And I know this stage in your life on our planet could be very difficult for you right now, as it is for most humans. Just remember that you've made it through lots of tough things before. And those things that you've already experienced in your life that were challenging while you were going through them have made you such a stronger and wiser person that you are today. So although it's difficult when you're going through something to believe that it's not going to last for forever, it won't. Just like everything in the past that you have powered through courageously and beautifully, you will also get through this. You will be stronger and more resilient when you do. If at any point you feel moments of stress or tension in your body and your stomach, then just remember that you always have the ability to come back to the breath. And it only takes a couple of breaths to pull yourself back into the present. And to take back control of that inner world. You will make it through this. On your inhale, reach your arms up over your head, palms touch at the top. And exhale, hands down to the heart. Thank you so much for joining me for this meditation, for taking this time to just hit the pause button, to reset yourself, to reconnect with the present moment, to remind yourself that everything will be okay in the end. Love and gratitude. Namaste.